Here is the Olympus OZ105R overall conditions. Here is the battery compartment using one CR123 battery. You can take it out like this and put it inside, close it. Next, by pulling this button to open the back cover, the inside will be like this. And here is the film compartment. About the film, we need to slide into it to make sure that the motor have fit into the center part of the canister. Okay, so we just push it inside and pull the film tip to here, and make sure that your film is flat like that. You can see that inside here got a red line, which is like giving you the tip lah. The film tip you put until here will do, and the rest here got a spring thing to press the film. And we just close it, and it will auto load. After that, we open it and see whether it loaded properly or not. Okay, wait, press it. Okay, yeah, you see it show an E, which means it's empty. It might have high chances that if loaded the film properly lah. Okay, so maybe because this film I have used many times, so maybe you press like this and try again. I think should be okay already. Then press it harder, slide it. Okay, yeah, here show figure 1, which means that we have loaded the film properly. So next step is to shoot it. Here is the zoom button, zoom in and zoom out. Here is the shutter button. When you look into the viewfinder, you find out at the center point here got a dot. So you just use that dot to aim whatever you want to shoot and half press the shutter. Okay, if it doesn't blink, means that it's okay to shoot. Then you just click it. It will move to the next frame. Okay, while when it has the orange light, which means that it will trigger the flash. Okay, next is the flash setting, but I would recommend you just put it that fully auto will do lah. And it has few modes. This one is auto S, which is like red light reduction lah. It will like blink for flash for a few times, only it will trigger the flash and shutter. Then this one is off the flash, fill in flash, night mode, which the shutter speed will be slower lah. Like that is auto. Then this one is timer or remote. For the timer, it's also same. Aim to the object you want to shoot, half press. If it doesn't blink, click it. And here we have a red light light up, means that the timer is start counting. It took around 10 seconds like that to shoot. When it's almost there, yeah, it will start blinking. Okay, next step is, here is designed for people who wear spec lah. You can see if I adjust it, this is the viewfinder. If I adjust it, it will be like blur or something lah. So it will you just adjust according to your eye lah. Because last time it's like designed for people who wear specs, they can see it without the spec, so much easier for them to view lah. Okay, here's the panorama setting, but it's like useless lah, because it's like just crop it. You can see, yeah, it can become narrow. Then normal, it will be like this. Then here is the date setting, which is the date imprinting lah. Okay, how to adjust it is quite easy. You just click the mode for a while until it blink. Okay, yeah, you can see it start blinking. Then we just click the set to the year we want and the month we want. 2025. Then it's May. And the date is 28. Okay, click again. Then this one is the time. You can adjust it by yourself. Oh, it's over lah, but you can set it later lah. Okay, so here is like different format, and you can switch lah. Okay, to the format you want. This one is the year, month, date. Then the month, date, year. The date, month, year, and the date and the time. Then like this means it's off. So the overall is like this, and when you should finish, it will auto rewind. And when we want to close it, we just like push it, wait for it to down, then fully cover it like that. When you want to open it, press it like a little bit hard lah, you also can. Okay, to make sure that the slide door have attached to the inner part to open it. Yeah, then we want to close like this. Okay, swipe it. So overall it's like this. Hope you enjoy it.